Hey, this is Kyle, and you're watching highlights from the Amazon Delivery Photo Critique, a live stream breakdown of your Amazon delivery photos. Join us every Monday on twitch.tv as we discuss basic photography techniques and ideas that'll help improve your skills. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. With that being said, thanks for watching and enjoy the clips. What I like about this photo is the simplicity. It's just a nice, simple photo. It's just a package on top of some mailboxes. It almost looks lonely, like it's just waiting to be picked up. What helps with the simplicity is the lighting. Your eye automatically goes to the package. You want the viewer to know exactly what you're trying to showcase. It's harsh lighting. If I were to photograph this package, I would maybe square up like I'm right in front of the mailboxes. Since they shot it at the angle that they did, it kind of messed up their rule of third usage. How we can improve this image is just real basic. If I was shooting this straight on, I would put the image, I would maybe get this label right on this upper third here. I'm almost treating it like a portrait. Again, we're using our imagination. We're gonna have to if we're gonna make it through this. Oh boy, this image, I tell you, where do you even begin? Was he moving his arms all around and just, this Amazon driver should be fired or become the greatest artist we've ever known. So what leading lines do we have? You're starting here, say, okay, well, what else is here? Okay, we've got this, I assume a stool. Okay, moving up, nothing's up here, so I'm not interested. These lines bring me to here, not interested. That's what I like about this image. It's all over the place. It's hitting this intersection, this intersection. It's got this third, that third, this third. We can't have that here. It brings the package down to the lower third where it's more centered. That helps a lot. Obviously, this is a cool photo because there's a dog in it. I can't tell if the dog is happy, the dog is angry. It's a mystery. And that's what I like about it. The danger of this image is what intrigues me. I would use this opportunity to get a really cool photo. I would maybe set this photo up as, get the box. You gotta get the box. Maybe set it up vertically. Maybe you can juxtapose the dog with the box, like put them side by side. That might look cool. I don't know. One little nitpick. They missed the rule of thirds. They were so close. So what could they have done to help remedy this? Put that dog right here. This is ridiculous. Okay, I get it. There's a dog, there's a box. Let's just keep it 100, as the kids say.